Practice set 1.1 class 9 question 2. If the coordinate of A is equal to x and B is equal to y. A is equal to x and B is equal to y. Find distance AB. Distance A and B. अभी यहाँ पर A का कोऑर्डिनेटर कौन है x और B का कौन है y, तो फाइंड डिस्टेंस A एंड B. हाँ, और x का वैल्यू दिया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. x इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 7. x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Then which is the greater in those two? 7 is the greater than 1. Clear है ना? Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to 7 minus 1. Okay? Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to 6. This is your answer.
Yes.
Okay. Here is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. X is greater than minus 2. Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to 6 minus 2. Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to minus क्या होगा plus और 6 plus 2. Therefore, 8. Distance in between A and B is equal to 8. Next one. Minus 3 is smaller than 7. Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Therefore, distance in between A and B, 7 minus का plus is plus 3. Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to 10. This is your answer. Okay, x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5.
Yes.
Clear? Then distance between A and B is equal to minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 4 minus plus 5 is equal to 1. Distance in between A and B is equal to 1. Clear है? माइनस और प्लस, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव का नेगेटिव, प्लस माइनस का माइनस हो जाएगा, ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन आएगा. क्लियर है? हाँ, यहाँ पर देखिए minus 3 is greater than minus 6. Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to minus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. Distance in between A and B is equal to 3. Minus का plus, 6 is the positive number now and 3 is the negative number. Clear है ना? तो माइनस प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन आएगा. Distance in between A and B is equal to 3. Any doubt? No. 4 is greater than minus 8. 4 is greater than minus 8. Clear? Therefore, distance in between A and B is equal to 4 minus 8. Therefore, 4 minus plus 8. Therefore, 8 plus 4, how much? 12. Distance A and B is equal to 12. Always the distance is positive number, not a negative number. Clear? Okay. Question number 3. What is the question number 3? From the given information, find which point is between the other two. If the point are not collinear, state so. Here is the number line. Distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. PQR. ये 3 पॉइंट दिए हैं, पी क्यू आर 3 पॉइंट दिए। मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस किसका है? पी और क्यू का। तो यहाँ पर पी आएगा, यहाँ पर क्यू आएगा। क्लियर है? और बीच में कौन सा आएगा? आर आएगा। तो पी क्यू का डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है? डिस्टेंस इन बिटवीन पी क्यू 10। पी आर का कितना दिया है? 7। और क्यू आर का कितना दिया है? 3। जो लार्जर नंबर है, बिगेस्ट नंबर है, हाँ, अगर बिगेस्ट नंबर जो है तो जो स्मॉलर नंबर दिए हैं उनका एडिशन, स्मॉलर नंबर का एडिशन बिगर नंबर के इक्वल में आता है, तो ये कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स है, अदरवाइज नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स। हाँ, क्लियर है? हाँ, तो देखिए डिस्टेंस पी आर प्लस डिस्टेंस क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस कौन सा लेना है? पी क्यू। क्लियर है ना? 1835 मध्ये तो ये कितना है? पी आर कितना दिया है? 7 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड पी आर इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो 10। क्लियर? सो therefore कलकत्ता, मुंबई, मद्रास, चेन्नई पॉइंट पी आणि पाश्चात्य आर क्यू मध्यम वर्गाने भारतातील सामाजिक प्रबोधनाच्या चळवळीचे आर द कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स। समजलं? मग शिक्षित झाले ना लोक, ते काय केलं? सामाजिक पॉइंट पी आर क्यू आर द कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स एंड पॉइंट आर is in between of those. P and Q. P R Q collinear points है। Q the greater number दिया है, greater number is equal to addition of smaller numbers. Greater number is equal to addition of smaller number. Therefore P R Q are the collinear points. हाँ, एक लाइन पर है वो, और पॉइंट R is in between Q and Q. R किधर है? In between है। Next one, distance RS is equal to 8, distance ST is equal to 6 and distance RT is equal to 4. Which is the greater number? RS. Here is the number line. Here R point and here S point. And which is next point? T point is the next. R and S in between. How much? 8. हाँ, 8 unit. R and S का यूनिट कितना है? 8 यूनिट डिस्टेंस है। और RT का यूनिट कितना दिया? RT का यूनिट RT 4। डिस्टेंस कितना है? 4। और TS का कितना है? 6 और 4 कितना होगा? 10। और R और S का कितना होगा? 8। So those points are not collinear points. Clear है? Okay. Then distance PR कौन है? डिस्टेंस ST plus distance RT. डिस्टेंस ST is equal to distance RT. ST कितना है? 6 plus RT कितना है? 4 is equal to 10. Distance RS is equal to 8. Therefore, distance ST plus distance RT is not equal to distance RS. Therefore, point RST are not collinear points. Clear? Distance AB is equal to 16. This one distance CA is equal to 9 and distance BC is equal to 7. ABC पॉइंट है. ABC पॉइंट ग्रेटर डिस्टेंस किसमें है? A और B में. यहाँ पर A, यहाँ पर B और यहाँ पर कौन सा आएगा? C आएगा. AC का डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है? AC is 9 और BC का डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है? 7 और टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है? 16. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Therefore, those are collinear points and C is in between of A and B. Clear है? हाँ. Distance CA plus distance BC is equal to distance AB. CA 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 is equal to 16. Therefore, point A, B and C are collinear points. And point C is in between point A and B. A and B. Clear? Distance LM is equal to 11, distance MN is equal to 12 and distance NL is equal to 8. Which is the greater number? MN. M and N. ये कितना होगा? 12. तो इसमें कौन सा आएगा? L पॉइंट आएगा. हाँ, M और L. ML 11 and NL 8. 11 plus 8 18. 11 plus 8 18 and MN 12. Therefore, those points are not collinear points. Clear है? Distance LM plus distance NL is equal to LM कितना है?
11.
LM 11 plus NL 8 is equal to 19. Is equal to 19. यहाँ पर 18 लिखा 19. But distance MN is equal to 12. Therefore, distance LM plus distance NL is not equal to distance MN. Clear na? Therefore, point M and L are not collinear point. Distance xy is equal to 15, distance yz is equal to 7 and distance xz is equal to 8. Which is the greater distance? X and y. Here is the 15 and which is the in between z. So yz is equal to 7 and xz is equal to 8. Is the addition of 8 plus 7 15? Yes. Then those numbers are those points are collinear points. Distance xz plus distance yz is equal to distance xy. तो xz कितना है? xz 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 and 15. Therefore, x, y, z are the collinear points. collinear points and point Z in between them. In between point x and y. Clear है? Last one, d is equal to 5, df is equal to 8 and ef is equal to 8 and df is equal to 6. Which is the greater? ef. E and f is 8 and which point is in between them? D point. Okay, d is equal to 5 and df is equal to 6. Is the addition of 5 and 6 is equal to 8? No. Therefore, those points are not collinear points. Distance DE plus distance DF. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. But distance EF is equal to 8. Therefore, distance DE plus distance DF is not equal to distance EF. Clear?
Yes.
Therefore, the point EDF are not collinear points. Clear?